As per our ongoing Bitcoin money cost forecast, the worth of Bitcoin money will expanded by 255.04%, coming to $672.93 by end of 2025, which is genuinely critical. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing opinion is bullish, while the apprehension and insatiability file is perusing 28.29, which especially implies commonly intense trepidation. Our Bitcoin money estimate. It's by and large great to explicitly purchase Bitcoin money right now in an unobtrusive manner. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall bullish feeling among Bitcoin money cost forecasts. See the specific Bitcoin money cost expectation beneath. You will know how especially Bitcoin money is in every practical sense worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, Bitcoin money explicitly has expanded by 68.79%, or so they in every practical sense thought. Because of this, we can truly get, with the exception of a truly slight recuperation in the approaching month, toward the finish of June. The worth of Bitcoin money expanded by 112.52%, and came to approach around $399.50, or so they really thought. As of now, all pointers are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and avarice file shows 28.29 intense apprehensions, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. As per our conjecture, this explicitly isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase Bitcoin money. As of now, Bitcoin money is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward moving normal a major way. For the especially most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA in every practical sense has shown a Bitcoin money purchasing certainly signal. The cost of Bitcoin money is presently running beneath the 50-day basic moving pretty normal SMA, and it shows a purchase signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $119.50 toward the finish of December in an unpretentious manner. By December 2023-2024, Bitcoin Cash's extremely momentary 50-day SMA shows a $113.60, which explicitly is very critical. The overall strength list, RSI, Force Oscillator, sort of is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital currency for the most part is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI most certainly is presently at Hercivalu. This shows that the BCH market is in a sell position. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Bitcoin money came to $137.87, when it dipped under $96.56. Interestingly, since January 2021, in an unpretentious manner. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Bitcoin money is en route to passing the $410.31 mark before the current year's over. Before $410.31, it might break its characteristic of $4,355.62 and sort of arrive at in a fundamentally significant manner. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Bitcoin money will break its past all-time high of $4,355.62 and hold somewhere in the range of $402.41 and $410.31 soon. At this point, on 24 June 2023, Bitcoin money generally is exchanging at $187.98, and its 24-hour exchanging volume, sort of, is around 1.61 B, and it makes number 20 cash in the entire crypto world. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024. There basically is plausible that Bitcoin money can sort of advancement the $483.94 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Bitcoin money cost will be between $403.69 to $483.94, and the most certainly reasonable Bitcoin money cost will be consistent at around $456.88. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Bitcoin Cash's exceptionally wild swings in esteem, and the contention encompassing its naturally unpleasant energy utilization, Extremely rich person adventure, most certainly entrepreneur Tim Draper in every practical sense, is adhering to his forecast that Bitcoin money will reach $483.94 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that BCH will begin the year at $552.82 and exchange around $672.93. As per their forecasts, this would explicitly be very fundamentally high, contrasted with especially a year ago. This especially is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin, or so they thought. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026. There sort of is a decent opportunity that Bitcoin money 2026 value forecast will sort of twofold in cost. However, it in a real sense is likewise kind of conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $864.17 level. Bitcoin money in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed high of $782.11 or $864.17 in 2026. And it could generally be the extended time of Bitcoin money. Bitcoin money value expectation 2027. Bitcoin money value forecast, or BCH, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, Bitcoin Cash's cost is supposed to outperform $864.17 in 2027, in spite of mainstream thinking. It in a real sense has been, all things considered, anticipated that Bitcoin money will arrive at the most extreme cost of $864.17. And the base cost really is supposed to fundamentally be around $723.29 in the really next a long time from 2027, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money figure 2028. Market examiners and specialists truly foresee say that Bitcoin money value forecast and specialized examination, Bitcoin money, sort of is supposed to cross a value level of $941.38 in 2028 in an unpretentious manner. In the interim, Bitcoin money is supposed to, in a real sense, arrive at least cost of $892.45 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $1,013.67. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Bitcoin money value forecast and specialized investigation foresee that the expense of Bitcoin money will reach $1,379.71, and the cost of BCH ought to reach $1,000.